In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save photos, individual and all photos from Apple Messages or iMessage on your iPhone. So what you want to do is open up the message or the conversation that you're having, and you'll see the photos here in this message. If you want to download an individual photo, you can just tap the little downward pointing arrow with the square right there next to the photo, and this will work on videos too. And then you just tap that there and you can see the check mark. If you've downloaded a photo, you will no longer see that icon. As you can see, I've downloaded that one, no icon. This one I have not, and there's the icon. So I can tap that button there and it will download that individual photo. If I wanted to download a bunch of photos from this conversation, you just tap on the person's name at the top of the message there to go into the information here, and then you'll see a few tabs at the top. You want to go to Photos right there where it says Photos, and then you'll see an Edit button in the upper right-hand corner. You can go to Edit and then go to Select Photos. You then can just start selecting a bunch of photos that this person has sent you, and then what you can do is you'll see that Download button in the lower left-hand corner once again. Any photos that you've selected, tap that button and it will download them to your device. Again, this is how you do multiple photos at once or all of the photos. And then if you want to do individual photos, you have to go back to the conversation and then tap the little downward arrow, which is the download button there in the message. If you have any questions, put those down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.